I was doing analysis to see the degree to which Fargo ratings predict one pocket results, and I ran across comments that I've heard before from commentators about how going to smaller pockets, a tighter table, advantages the straight shooters, the shot makers. This is one of those things that seems so obviously true that it seems like it doesn't need more thought. If you're a better shot maker than me, and on a table with big pockets, you hit them to the center of the hole, I scatter around the center of the hole, we move to a tighter table, yours still go in, and mine rattle. The problem with this reasoning is pool is not a one-dimensional game. If you and I play even, let's say have the same rating, same tendency to win games, and you're a better shot maker, then I must have important skills you lack. You may respond that you're aware of this, but that we're moving to a situation where your relative advantage, shot making, becomes more important. And that's where I invite you to consider that that's one-dimensional thinking for a multi-dimensional situation. Here's an example outside of pool. You have two running backs that average the same number of yards per carry. A is stocky, powerful, and low to the ground. B is wiry, fast, and nimble. When the defensive players start getting bigger, it seems the ability to plow right through them like A can gets more important. But as they get bigger and stronger still, at some point the strategy starts shifting toward what running back B does well, evading needing to power through them. Here's another example also outside of pool. It's Alex Pegulayan on the left and Ruslan Chinakhov on the right doing a shelf stocking competition. Let's say these two are pretty even at shelf stocking. Ruslan clearly has a reach advantage, so Alex must be better at other things. Maybe he's faster, and maybe he's developed strategies to access hard-to-reach shelves. So what happens when you add another shelf? It seems like you're playing to Ruslan's competitive advantage, when in fact it may not be reaching you're emphasizing, but dealing with hard-to-reach places that you're emphasizing. And that's a skill maybe Ruslan hasn't practiced and needed to develop so much. So back to pool, when you make the pocket smaller, it seems at first like you're emphasizing shot making, but on closer look, you're also emphasizing things that make shot making less important. These are the well-honed skills of a lesser shot maker. Play lines like a three-cushion player does. Play patterns that allow you to play those lines. Get closer to the next ball. Always have the correct angle, and know how to deal with it when you don't like your chances of making the shot. So, do smaller pockets advantage straight shooters? I don't know. What do you think?